The Sinawali is probably one of the most iconic movements in all of the Filipino martial arts. And today I want to give you guys my favorite three. Hey, this is Tuhan Aditya from LightHaven, and the Sinawali is used for a bunch of different reasons. It's used to build your coordination, it's used to build your comfort with longer weapons, shorter weapons, it's used to make entries, it's used to finish, it's used to target the hand. There's so many different reasons and so many different ways that this pattern can be used. The three variations I'm going to be sharing with you today will help you solidify your basics as well as really make you work on that neuromuscular coordination. The first variation is a variation of our Heaven 6, or as we like to call it in PKTR, upper 8. And we're going to be adding a gunting on that second count. So I'm going to go fluid, and then from here, this is still going to come angle 2. This, instead of staying here, is going to come up as an angle 4. So I'm going to go 1, gunting, and then from here itself, I'm going to come down with a 1. So 1, gunting, 1, 1, gunting, 1. For almost all of the variations, it's really important that we are familiar and comfortable with our basic Sinawali. So if I'm hitting an angle 1, I need to hit an angle 1. If I have to go angle 2 after this, it needs to be an angle 2. If I'm going 1 and then just horizontal, or just kind of doing anything, not paying attention to where my edge is, not paying attention to what angles I'm hitting, not paying attention to where I'm loading, it's going to be very hard for me to get these variations down. So again, for this first variation, 1 fluid, gunting, 1, 1 fluid, gunting, 1. The same hand that starts is the same hand that comes up in this reverse diagonal, is the same hand that comes down with that angle 1. 1, gunting, 1. Second variation, we're going to be adding a really close umbrella or roof around my body. So I'm going to start in the same way, same side loading position. I'm going to go 1, kind of fluid. It doesn't have to have a big follow through like before, but it's definitely not broken. The idea behind this variation is also to continue momentum. So this stick is going to go 1, umbrella, 1, 1, umbrella, 1. And now we're going to insert that second stick. So I'm going to go 1. As this stick hits, this stick goes behind my head. So I can then come out with that third. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, one thing that a few of my students were doing when I was teaching them this was they went directly kind of behind their body like this. But what I'd like is for you guys to start in this like really tight, really close umbrella so that it goes behind and then I can hit. 1, it's still covering my body, but it's really tight, it's really close, right? That's an added component of the coordination factor of it. And your basics, if my basic umbrella is not good, it's going to be really hard for me to still have that umbrella shape but be so close to my body and then to come back and hit again. I want to take a quick break in the video to tell you about the exclusive content that we offer on our YouTube memberships as well as on our Patreon page. On both pages, we have something called the Drill of the Week as well as extended versions of the YouTube videos that go out for you guys all for free. We have something called a Two Horns Training Thoughts as well as Ancient Arts Modern Warriors, which are just extended versions for you and me to be able to geek out on the martial arts together. I'm telling you about my approach to the martial arts. We're talking about other martial arts, how they relate to each other, how they've evolved. It's just an amazing opportunity for us to geek out on the martial arts together. If you'd like to know more about either of the pages, I'm going to leave links in the description and in the pinned comments down below. Now back to the video. The third variation is another look at our classic Heaven 6 or upper 8. Our normal Sinawali or upper 8 or Heaven 6 would be this. So I'm going angle 1, angle 2, angle 2, angle 1, angle 2, angle 2. The idea is the first one goes across, then again the second goes across, and then this goes under the armpit. This version or this variation of the Sinawali doesn't do that. Instead of going across, I am coming back to the same shoulder, which changes the timing quite a lot, and the feel quite a lot. So instead of me going 1, 2, 3, I am going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it's a broken, and then it's a variation on our Heaven and Earth. So it goes angle 4, angle 1, broken angle 1, 4, fluid angle 1, broken angle 1, 4, fluid angle 1. And it's quite a different feel to the normal upper 8 or Heaven 6 that we do. One thing you keep in mind in this variation that you pull back the stick back to your shoulder, and you don't just keep it here or you don't leave it out there. Pull it back, and then that 4 goes, and then that 1 goes. Pull that back. So the retraction of one is the extension of the other. The retraction of one is the extension of the other. That's how you're going from a 4 count, where let's go back to our basic upper 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How we're going from a 4 count or an 8 count to a 3 count is that the retraction of one is the extension of the other. The retraction of one is the extension of the other. It's the same if I was punching. As one fist comes back, the other goes back out. It's not 1, 2, right? It's 1, 2. And it's the same concept with the Sinawali. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, if you learned from what you saw, please do like and share this video. If you have anything to add, any questions, any comments, please do leave that in the comments down below. Please just subscribe to the channel. All of these things really do help out the school and the channel a lot. A huge thank you to everybody on our YouTube memberships and everybody on our Patreon page. Thank you guys so much for your support. If you'd like to know more about the exclusive content that we offer on either of the pages, check out the links in the description down below. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.